Hello everyone, today we will discuss healthy sexual reproduction and sexually transmitted diseases. So they are the human beings, they enjoying the sexual participation. So but they are causing to the sexual diseases. Like so the maternal mortality rate, the dying there is no dying the females like mothers and childs because of the sexual transmitted diseases. So the maternal mortality rate and maternal mortality rate and child fetal rate high. So the sexual transmitted disease. So these diseases affect sexual transmitted disease affect. So the maternal mortality rate and the fetal mortality rate is high because of. So they are causing to the sexual transmitted diseases. So these diseases affect. So the mothers and childs dying in a pregnancy period. So pregnancy period time, the pregnant lady, delivery times, the female mothers, the delivery time, maybe mothers will be die or childs will be die. So because of, so they are causing to the sexual transmitted diseases. So mother was die and childs also dying. So they are the increasing the rates because of sexually transmitted diseases. Next one. So in India, 2 millions. So the 2 million peoples they are living in HIV and AIDS. 2 million peoples. How many number? 2 million. 2 million peoples who else living HIV and AIDS. So they are living in 2 million peoples living in HIV AIDS. So they are the 2 million members they are living in the sexually transmitted diseases. HIV AIDS is the one of the sexually transmitted diseases. So their persons are the dying, the mothers and babies are dying the sexually transmitted diseases. Next one. So they are the government and non-governmental agencies. So they are the educate the sexual health and education from the sexual problems, sexual diseases. So that the sexual participation, they are the educate the government and non-governmental agencies. So they are educating the sexually. So sexual problems, they are educate the sexual problems. First one. So they are the family planning problems. 1951. So first one 1951. So the year 1951, so they are starting from the family planning problems. Family planning programs. They are starting from the 1951. Family planning programs means, so they are the one baby or two baby after one or two babies. So they are the surgeries. So they are the next do not pregnancy. So they are the starting from the 1951. So they are starting from the 1951. So their family planning programs will be started. Next one. So they are the sexual reproduction and child health care. Next starting from the reproductive and child health care programs. Child health care programs. They are starting from the child health care, sexual and reproductive and child health care programs. They are starting from the reproductive and child health care programs. So these programs are they are the educating the sexually transmitted diseases. Like next one, they are the baby they are child health care programs. Next one, They are Janani Suraksha Yojan program. Next one, Janani Suraksha Yojan. They are next starting from the Janani Suraksha program. Janani Suraksha Yojan. Janani Suraksha Yojan. So these Janani Suraksha Yojan, so the child health care programs, so the reproductive and child health care programs. Next one, Janani Suraksha Yojan. Janani Suraksha Yojan program, so these main function, deliveries 100%, the deliveries in hospitals, deliveries in hospital. These main indication, so the deliveries in hospital. Deliveries in hospitals. So Janani Suraksha Yojan main the intention. So they are the deliveries compulsory in institutions, compulsory in hospitals because of any problem. So they are the treatment or mother and children. So they are the family planning program, reproductive and child health care programs, and Janani Suraksha Yojan. Janani Suraksha Yojan. So they are the curing. They are the curing from the effects from the sexually transmitted diseases or a treatment of the sexually transmitted diseases. Next one, so the government and non-governmental agencies, government and non-governmental agencies, so they are the educating the sexual education, sexually education in the children's the school time. They are the subjects of the reproductive lesson. So because of, so there are the few changes in the children's, like the 10 to 14 years age. So there are the few changes in the children. So they are the educate from the reproductively. So the reproductively they educate from the reproductive systems. So they are the identify the problems. Next one, the reproductively. So they are the print media, electronic media, and televisions. So they are the many programs. So they are educating the peoples, Next one, so they are the sexually transmitted diseases. Next one, main problem. So the female feticides, Female feticides means the female babies killing the embryonic stage. Female babies kill the embryonic stage. So because of, so they are the identify the first 1970, so they are the amniocentesis. So this amniocentesis process in the 1970, so these amniocentesis, so they are the identify these using, they are one of the technique 1970, they are starting from the 1970. So they are amniocentesis process, so they are the one of the technique. So these technique, so they are identify the baby genetical disorders, this main indication, this main function. So they are the identify the genetical disorders of the embryo, these genetical disorders, identify genetical disorders. Identify genetical disorders. But so these amniocentesis process they are using from the identify the male and female babies. So these technique using from the identify the male and female babies. So this technique is banned in the 1976. So these technique amniocentesis process banned. So because of, so this technique using from the identify the male baby or female baby. So the female baby, that baby is killing the some persons. So they are the mothers, one or two female babies, next baby also female. So they are the check up the male or female baby. So this female baby killing the female baby. So they are the female babies are the feticides. Next one, 3D ultrasound scanning. Next, the 3D ultrasound scanning. So these 3D ultrasound scanning. So these scanning main intention. So they are the using from the this technique using from the identify the genetical disorders. And baby growing levels. So these technique using from the genetical disorders and identify the baby growing. But these technique, so they are the using from the identify male and female babies. So they are the affecting from the female feticides. But strongly, so they are the 3D ultrasound scanning. So they are using from the genetical disorders. Next one, sexually transmitted diseases. Next one, sexually transmitted diseases. So these sexually transmitted disease, they are transferred from the one person to another person through the involving sexually. So they are the different types of the sexually transmitted diseases. First one, gonorrhea. So they are the one of the sexually transmitted diseases. So they are caused by the Neisseria gonorrhea. The bacteria name. So they are the Neisseria gonorrhea bacteria. They cause into the gonorrhea disease. So these are the one of the sexual transmitted disease. Next one, syphilis. Next one, disease syphilis. Next disease syphilis. So this disease causing from the bacteria. Bacteria name Treponema pallidum. Treponema pallidum. So they are the bacteria. So they are the one of the sexually transmitted disease. Next one, genital herpes. So third one, genital herpes. So this is causing from the herpes simplex virus. So they are the virus. This virus causing from the genital herpes. Next one, genital warts and cervical cancers. Cancer. These two diseases causing from the human papilloma virus. Human papilloma virus causing from the genital warts and cervical cancer. Next one, trichomoniasis. So this disease trichomoniasis. So this disease causing from the Trichomonas vaginalis. They are the parasite. So they are the protozoan parasite. Trichomonas vaginalis. So this disease causing from the trichomoniasis disease. Next one, chlamydiasis. So this chlamydiasis causing from the Chlamydia trachomatis. So they are the bacteria. Chlamydia trachomatis. So they are the bacteria. Next one, hepatitis B. So they are the HB virus. They are causing from the HB virus. Hepatitis B causing from the HB virus. Next one, HIV or AIDS. So this disease causing from the human immunodeficiency virus. HIV AIDS is causing from the human immunodeficiency virus. So these are the sexually transmitted diseases. So these are two diseases, hepatitis B or HIV infection. So the sexually transmitted diseases except hepatitis B and HIV AIDS, these two diseases identify early stage curing the diseases, except hepatitis B and HIV. These all the disease identify early stages curing these diseases, not the hepatitis B and HIV AIDS. These two is not curing, remaining the diseases curing the identify the early stages. So these sexually transmitted diseases, they are causing from the transfer from the one person to another person through the injections, needles, like the doctor injection from the using from the needle, one person using from the affected person, that needle using from the another normal persons. So this disease transfer from the affected sexual transmitted person to sharing the normal persons through the injection needles. Next one, so they are spreading the blood transmission. For example, so this person HIV person, so this person blood they are donate from the normal persons. So this person causing from the HIV. So they are the normal person. So they are donate the blood. This blood they are inject from the normal individual. So this person causing from the HIV AIDS. Next one, so they are sharing from the mother to child. They are sharing from the mother to child. So the mother they are causing from the HIV/AIDS. So they automatically they are transferred to the mother to child only in the embryonic stage time. So the mother to fetus, mother to embryo. So they are the spreading from the disease from the sexually transmitted disease. Majorly, so they are transferred from the sexual participation. So they are sexually transferred from the one person to another persons. Next one, so these persons early symptoms, the sexual transmitted diseases, early symptoms like swelling the genital organs, fluid discharge, the genital organs to releasing fluid discharge, itching the genital regions, swelling the genital organs, fluid secretions. So they are the symptoms of the early symptoms of the sexually transmitted diseases. So these diseases, so they are avoiding the diseases. So they are the three things. First one, unknown persons involving the unknown persons through sex. Do not involving the sex with unknown persons. Do not sexual participation with unknown persons or multiple persons. Unknown persons or multiple persons. Do not involving the sexual participation. Next one, so you do compulsory participate unknown persons with sex. So they are using from the condoms, sex barriers, using from the sex barriers. So the compulsory that time involving to the unknown persons, that time using from the condoms, Next one, third step, so they are early stages, identify the early stages, they are consulting to the doctor. So they are identify the early stage, they are consulting to the doctor. So they are long treatments, they are curing to the disease. So they are the avoiding the sexual transmitted through the three ways. First one, do not participate unknown persons with sex. Do not participate sex with unknown persons or multiple persons. Next one, they are using the condoms. Next one, third step, so they are early stage identify the sexual transmitted diseases. Early stages identify the sexual transmitted diseases. So they are consulting to the doctor, So they are the sexually transmitted diseases. Majorly sexually transmitted diseases, they are spread from the one person to another person, sexual participation. So next step, they are syringes of the needles of the syringe. Next one, so the blood transmission. Next one, mother to baby. So they are spreading from the sexual transmitted diseases.